In this video, I'll show you how to buy property in GTA 5 offline. If this video helps you, please consider subscribing my YouTube channel and liking the video. So first of all guys, in order to purchase property in GTA 5, you just need to open your map, and right here you can see this symbol. This symbol is for the properties which are available for purchase. So you can just select any property you want, and you can see the budget as well at the top. I want to purchase this property, I can just select it. Once you select it, just go to the location. So once you came on the location, here we need to find for the banner for the sale. So you can see at the front, so we just need to come closer to this banner, and once you are here, you will see the pop-up at the top that this property is for $275,000, and the revenue I will generate from this business will be around $150 per destroyed car, and this business will recycle old cars components and parts. So I want to purchase this one, so I'll just press E to confirm. And yeah, we got the business, and you can see all the details in the cinematics. And you may think we are giving them $275,000, and in return we are getting not that much money. So you don't have to worry about, because the weekly duration of the game is pretty short in compared to real life. So it will just like 1 hour or 2 hour for 1 week. So basically you will earn a lot of money by purchasing these businesses. And not only this, once you purchase the business, you will get the side missions from the business as well, because the manager will directly email you, and from there you can just perform some missions. You will get a lot of money from there as well. So yeah guys, that's how you can purchase the properties in GTA 5. Now if I was a big help, can you please subscribe me? If you do, I would really appreciate it. But for now, thanks for watching. Bye bye.